Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send encrypted email from Gmail. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to share sensitive information securely, ensuring that your message remains private and protected from unauthorized access. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see your inbox and all the familiar Gmail interface elements. Now click the Compose button located in the top left corner of your screen. This opens a new email window where you'll draft your message. Here's where the magic happens. Look at the bottom toolbar of this new email window and you'll spot the confidential mode icon. It's represented by a padlock with a clock positioned between the insert photo and insert signature icons. Click on this icon to access Gmail's built-in encryption features. A confidential mode settings window will pop up. The first thing you'll need to do is set an expiration date for your email. Gmail gives you several options here, ranging from 1 day all the way up to 5 years. Choose the time frame that makes sense for your content. This ensures that your sensitive information won't remain accessible indefinitely. Next, you'll see an option labeled Require Passcode. This is where you decide how secure you want the email to be. If your recipient uses Gmail, you can select No SMS Passcode, which means they'll be able to open the email directly through their Gmail account. However, if you want an extra layer of security, select SMS Passcode. This option requires the recipient to receive an access code via text message before they can view your email. If you choose this route, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's phone number. Once you've configured these settings, click Save. This applies the confidential mode settings and returns you to your email draft. Now go ahead and compose your email by adding the recipient's address, subject line, and your message content. When everything looks good, click Send to deliver your confidential email. It's worth noting that confidential emails prevent recipients from forwarding, copying, printing, or downloading the email content and attachments, giving you true control over your sensitive information. If you change your mind before sending, simply click the confidential mode icon again and click the X in the settings window to disable it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.